Hey friends, if you wish to fix Dell Laptop Sound not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is obviously to unmute the speaker. Check the volume tray here and check that it should be unmuted and that the sound should be on. And then right click here and select open volume mixer and make sure that the application on which you're hearing the sound like Mozilla Firefox or whatever has its sound set to the right volume, possibly 200. The second solution is to check the speaker connection. Now there are two types of connections. One is wired and one is wireless. So if it is a wired connection, you can easily tell if it's working or not. And a better way would be to try connecting your speaker to a different computer or a different input device and check if it works. As for a Bluetooth connection, it's even easier. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side. Select devices in the right pane and you'll see all the output devices here and the input devices here. The next solution is to check the audio ports for damage and clean the ports. And when I mean audio port, it also includes the USB ports if that is where the audio device is connected. And if it is connected using the 3.5mm jack, then check that one. The next is to restart your Dell computer, and restarting actually fixes a lot of issues. So right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, and then select on restart. The next one is to restart the Windows Explorer task via Task Manager. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager window. Now wait for the Explorer task to start. Right click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. And then run the Playing Audio Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Audio Troubleshooter. The last solution is to update the audio drivers. Now search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager window. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on each one of them and update them. And make sure to update all the drivers, not just the speaker one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.